How to add the accessibility settings shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on the more button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on add to home screen, and then tap on add. And that's it. Now if you tap on the home button and return back to your home screen, you should be able to see the accessibility shortcut. If you don't, simply swipe back and forth to find the shortcut on a different screen page. Once it is added to your home screen, you can touch and hold, and then you can rearrange and move them to a different location or even a different home screen page. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.